Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got something from Taiwan. They sent two of them. This is 3 meters with their belt noodles. This is the soybean flavor. So we're gonna do that up today, because that's what we're doing. And I got some water boiling here already. Let's turn this down a little bit. So yeah, it's Monday. How do you feel about that? I'm not totally sold on that it should be Monday, but what can you do? I mean, you can't stop the wheels of time. So but it's already started out to be a pretty good Monday, so I'm happy about that. Dump these noodles in. We got 5 minutes on the clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, boom. Oh yeah, and then there's this thing you have to do. Let me get the water. You have to, it tells you at least to add 100 mils of water about halfway through. Cold water, that is. So yeah, there we go. And there's 2 sachets. There's this one, and then there's this one. Looks more of like an oil. And this one looks like maybe this is where the what do you call it resides? The soybean flavor. I don't know. They're both kind of like So we'll see. I would like to send out a big thank you, and wow, you guys are really nice people, to the Butlers of Illinois. You guys shot over something cool. Here, I'll show you what they sent. I already put it on this thing, and there we go. So they sent me, there we go. Check it out. It's a little tiny spatula. Don't you even think of boiling over. A little, and it says Food Network on it, and it's got a little key ring. What is it for? Well, they sent a card. And basically, for a long time, for pretty much almost the entire existence of the show and the way I reviewed, I would use little cups, and I would put things like these would go in the cups, and then I would need to get them out, and I would use like a rubberized baby spoon or something like that. And they sent me this thing to help get it out of the, the little sake cups I used to use. But I don't use those anymore. But I'm thinking that's really going to be helpful with getting the eggs out of these. So, very cool. Thank you very much. They sent a card, which was really nice, mentioning, where is it? They said, the real gift is from you to us. We laugh so hard at your recipe videos when you are missing a utensil. We once played the shot game to your videos. So it's like they're taking shots when I do. It's like, oh, where's my fork? I'm guessing, is that the deal? That's rad. So I just want to say thank you very much. These folks sent me some noodles from, yeah, the timer is going. Take a shot. They sent me some noodles from Italy a while back, and they went on a vacation, and it's like, that just floors me. It's like, you guys care enough about the show and what I do to send me stuff, and you're going on like these really big fancy vacations. Like, I really appreciate you thinking of me, so thank you. I better leave this. Oh, there's another end piece. Yeah. There's another one. Chinese sausage. It's one of my absolute favorite things. This stuff is new. I got it yesterday at 99 Ranch Market, and it has like... It said that there are 45 calories per sausage, which is pretty amazing. I don't know if I believe that. I hope it's true. And we stir. And that is that. They feel nice and soft on the stir. By the way, this is not, these are by 3 meters, not by Maruchan. But my shirt came in the mail today. I've got an Indomie shirt coming pretty quick, hopefully later this week. And I'll wear that too. But I doubt I'm going to be reviewing any Indomie anytime soon because I just don't have any new Indomie. I need to go by Warong Jajanan. So, my buddy Jonathan has an Indonesian grocery in Edmonds, Washington on Highway 99. You just go a little, it's in the block past going towards going north towards Linwood. If I say north towards Everett, that just will put a bad taste in your mouth. But yeah, go north past 99 Ranch towards Linwood, and you'll find Warong Jajanan. It's right after this little collision place, right across the street from a car dealership. It's like a little tiny, here's a bunch of little mini stores. It's there. And you can get the best Indonesian food outside of Indonesia. I'm saying I haven't had anything that I wouldn't give 5 stars to that Jonathan's made. And I think his whole family makes the food there. Really nice people. Plus, it's a little mini grocery store, and you can get lots of cool stuff. You can get Indomie, you can get Dua Belibas hot sauce, you can get Bon Chabe, chili flake stuff. They got it all. And you gotta get it too. So, when you're in the Edmonds area or on Highway 99, it doesn't matter if you're in Tacoma. Scoot on over to Warong Jajanan. More than happy to plug that place, let me tell you. Really cool place. Really nice people. Give them your money. All day and all night. They have, oh man, their food is so good. And it's really not like ultra expensive by any means. You're going to spend more going to, what do you call it? You're going to spend more going to Red Ramen getting a crappy burger than going and getting some of the most amazing food. He'll go out of his way to get chicken that's not like American chicken. Let me explain. American chicken standard is like, they're grotesque. They have like the biggest breasts you've ever seen. They're just like, what he does is he gets chickens that are like standard, not like growth hormoned out and all this stuff. Standard chickens of a normal size like they would have in Indonesia. See? So, yeah, he's like all about authenticity. If you've never had Indonesian food, oh boy, boy, buddy, boy, boy, buddy, boy, buddy, boy, 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 boy. It's wondrous. Alright. Looks like a little bit spicy too. Let's give it a try. That's good. Very saucy. Tasty. You know when I like something, it's when I start going like that with a fork at it. Means I like it. Okay. And speaking of that, I've got the stuff, Chinese sausage, which I'm just gonna throw in there and stir up with it so it gets some of that saucy goodness. Yes, yes. Oh yeah. I'm gonna use this. God, where did this bowl come from? I think this came from Indonesia, actually. It says it's Lucky Fine China, though. Oh yeah, IDN, Indonesia. Yeah. That came from... I want to say... Oh, I don't want to say the wrong place, but I'm pretty darn sure that came from... the healthy Lemonillo. They make the healthy mee goreng. It's like all green and it's really good. And we have a tea egg we're going to place there. Right there. And got some spring onion. Scallion. Can go hang out up here. I absolutely have come to the conclusion that I hate the new lighting in our apartment. This stuff makes everything yellow. I'm not cool with it. I gotta figure out some kind of replacement soon. And I apologize because I'm sure you're noticing everything is a little yellow. And that is not the way things should be. This is a Szechuan pepper thing. So we're gonna put some of that on there. Alright, let's see what we got here. Back up a little bit, right about there. Yeah. Alright, let's just do this. Oh. A pinch of fried garlic. Just a pinch. Alright, cool. Well, yeah, if you are in the Edmonds area, and by the way, this is excellent. If you're in the Edmonds area, Go check out Jonathan's place out. It's called Warong Jajanan. It's spelled this way. Go on the Google machine and type in WAROENG space JAJANAN. Okay? Warong Jajana. It's so freaking rad. You have to go there. Bring your wallet. Give them all your money. They're awesome people. This has been Awesome Ramen Raider. Wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.